Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, in the previous video we have started the lesson a different kind of school, and we had seen here till paragraph 3, and in that paragraph we saw the writer has gone to Miss Bean's school, and the writer is trying to understand the method of teaching applied in Miss Bean's school. And there, how the students, those who are staying in hostels, okay, the small children, those who are just remembering their parents and they're remembering their friends in the village and all that, okay. For example, if you go to a school or where you have to stay hostel, then you remember your parents, your friends in the village, and all these things happens. So that kind of children, how they should be treated in the school and how they should be kept in the school so that they will forget about their village and they will concentrate in their studies. And all these things were also very well done in Miss Bean's school. So all these things the writer had learned about the method of teaching, and that were very easy, and that was very simple for the students, and that students were easily understanding the lessons, and students were easily able to get everything in the class that were being taught. Okay, so let us see, that much we have seen in the previous video. So now today we'll start here from the 4th paragraph, and in the 4th paragraph let us see what it says. My dear students, you can just keep your textbook and open the textbook, and as I read and explain it to you, you just try to relate with that, okay? And any words that will be difficult for you to pronounce, and when I am pronouncing as I read it, you just listen carefully, and you can repeat it again and again so that you will know the pronunciation of those words which are difficult for you and they are new for you. Okay, so let us start reading here. Paragraph 4. No more than this is needed to help them to learn how to do things. Simple spelling, adding, subtraction, multiplying, and writing. So here what did he say? No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things. किस तरह से चीजों को किया जाना चाहिए क्लास में, किस तरह से रीडिंग किया जाना चाहिए, किस तरह से स्पेलिंग बताना चाहिए, या फिर किस तरह से एडिंग, सब्सट्रैक्टिंग एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग, ये सारे चीज, एंड राइटिंग किस तरह से किया जाना चाहिए, वो सारे चीज बच्चों को बहुत आसानी से सिखाया गया है, जिसके वजह से उनको बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा जिस समय में ये सारे चीज आएगा. जब मैथमेटिक्स में एडिशन आएगा, ऐड करना आएगा, तो वो उनको समझ में आता है कि कैसे उनको करना है. अभी सब्सट्रैक्शन का आ गया तो उनको पता है कि किस तरह से उनको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. उसी तरह से मल्टीप्लाइंग भी उनको आ जाता है आसानी से, क्योंकि उसी तरह से उनको सिखाया गया है ना, और वो उसी तरह से सीखे है और इजी और सिंपल मेथड के जरिए से वो सीख चुके हैं किस तरह से ये सारी चीज करना है. Then the rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. And all these things and rest of the things, या फिर वो बाकी सारी चीज जो है, अभी मान लो हमारे बुक में एक क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, तो वो सारी चीज को कब बताया जाता है स्टूडेंट्स को, कि जब वो स्टूडेंट्स क्लास में बैठे हैं, चुपचाप बैठे, अपने हैंड फोल्ड करके, तो उसी समय में इसको जस्ट रीडिंग कर देने का बच्चों को, और उसमें इंटरेस्टिंग टॉक होना चाहिए. देयर हैज टू बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग टॉक विच विल attract the students to learn and which will make interested to the students, and that will not be boring. For sometimes in your class also, most of the teachers make some kind of funs, jokes, it is because to bring your interest in reading, to bring your interest in studying. That is what we do in the classes. Okay, so in Miss Bean's school also those things were done. Okay, those things were done as we are doing in our schools and teachers do in our schools. Yes or no? You have experienced those things? Yes, surely you must have. There are practically no other lessons, and if we talk about there are practically, okay, Like the lessons here, adding, spelling, okay, simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing. And other than that, there are no other lessons practically if we talk about in the Beans school. इन बीन्स स्कूल में कोई अदर प्रैक्टिकली या फिर कोई अदर लेसन्स नहीं है सर, बाकी सारे यही लेसन्स उनको सिखाया जाता है जो कि बेसिक है और जो कि बच्चों को जानना चाहिए और वो बच्चे उसमें एक्सपर्ट हो चुके हैं। सिर्फ आपको उनको एक क्वेश्चन बताना है और सिर्फ उसको किस तरह से सॉल्यूशन निकलना है, किस तरह से उसको सॉल्व करना है, बच्चों को आसानी से आ जाते हैं क्योंकि उसी तरह से उनको सिखाया गया है। ओके, and let us see fifth paragraph what it is. Here you must remember, okay, the writer has gone to Bean's school, Miss Bean's school, and he is looking in the school whatever things are being provided to the students. Okay, and that is what about the school the writer is trying to tell us, and that is what we are studying in the lesson. Okay, so let us see fifth paragraph. The real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others, and being responsible citizens. And here it is said that the aim of the school is not so much to teach. सिर्फ वहाँ पे सिखाना नहीं है कि यहाँ पे हमारा सिलेबस में जो चीज़ है उसी को पढ़ा दो, सिलेबस कंप्लीट हुआ तो बस खत्म, ओके, और एग्जाम हुआ तो बस खत्म। सिर्फ उतना ही सिखाया नहीं जाता है कि यहाँ पे ये भी सिखाया जाता है कि बच्चे किस तरह से थॉटफुलनेस होंगे, किस तरह से वो थोड़ा सा होशियार बनेंगे, किस तरह से काइंडनेस टू अदर्स, किस तरह से दूसरे अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम में होगा, किसी ने मुसीबत होगी किसी के लाइफ में, सम काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन ही और शी विल बी गोइंग थ्रू डिफिकल्टीज, ओके, और एनी प्रॉब्लम, देन अदर चिल्ड्रेन आर लर्निंग टू बी काइंड. To be kind means if anybody is in difficulty, then they have to come to help others. Okay, not only being a selfish person. And also how the students will be a responsible citizen. Okay, how the students will be a responsible citizens, that is also being taught in Miss Bean school. Not only the syllabus, keep in mind. Okay, not only the syllabus, but the other things which are known as the moral values. Okay, these moral values are also taught to the children in the school, and that is what very nice that the writer says to us. Look out of window a minute, will you? Here a question is asked to the writer by Miss Bean. Look out of the window a minute, will you? कि ये विंडो के बाहर थोड़ी देर के लिए देखो, क्या आप देखोगे बाहर क्या चल रहा है, बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से खेल रहे हैं स्कूल में, किस तरह से लर्निंग कर रहे हैं. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट the Miss Bean is asking to the writer. And here you can see the one of the word meaning responsible means aware of their duties, means whatever the things they have to do, all these things they are aware of. Most of the time, my dear students, we are not aware of what we must do in our life, what we must do at what time. Those things we are not aware of. Okay, now as a children, as a child of our parents, then we have some of the responsibility to help our parents also. As a students, school students, we have our responsibility to do our homework and study regularly. All these things are our responsibility that we must do as a child now. Okay, and let us see in the 6th paragraph, we'll see here. Now the writer says, for that, because that Miss Bean asked the writer to look out of the window for a minute or for some times. Okay, then now writer is saying here in the 6th paragraph, let us see what did the writer do and what did he see from the window. I went to the window which overlooked a large garden and a playground at the back. What do you see? Miss Bean asked. So writer says, I went to the window which overlooked a large garden and a playground at the back. So वहाँ पे जब राइटर वहाँ पे विंडो से देखा तो उसको क्या दिखाई दिया? बहुत बड़ा गार्डन दिखाई दिया, और वही गार्डन के पीछे क्या है? एक प्लेग्राउंड है. And there is a playground behind the garden, behind the beautiful and very large garden. And there is a playground. And here Miss Bean is asking to the writer, What do you see? क्या दिखाई दे रहा है आपको या फिर आप क्या देख रहे हैं? Okay, that is what the Miss Bean is asking to the writer. So let us see now in the 7th paragraph what it is. Okay, so when the Miss Bean asked the writer, look through the window and what you see, just see there. The writer is looking through the window and he is able to see a large large garden, and behind that garden there is a beautiful playground where the children are playing there. So let us see, when Miss Bean is asking, what do you see there? Then the writer is answering here. I see some very beautiful grounds. Okay, I said, and a lot of jolly children. It pains me, though, to see that they are not also healthy and active looking. So here what he says, the writer says that I see some very beautiful grounds. Okay, मुझे बहुत सुंदर ground दिखाई दे रहा है. The writer said, and a lot of jolly children, lot of small children, cute children. Okay, they are playing very happily in the grounds. It pains me. Okay, it pains me though to see that they are not also healthy and active looking. Okay, it pains me when I am looking at them, at the jolly children, then it pains me because they are not looking so healthy and active. बिकॉज वो सारे बच्चे कैसे दिख रहे हैं, उतना एक्टिव भी नहीं दिख रहा है और उतना हेल्दी भी नहीं दिख रहा है, इसलिए वो राइटर को थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा है. वही राइटर बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Then when I came in, I saw one poor little girl being led about. She has some trouble with her eyes. Now I can see two more with the same difficulty. So when the writer came to the school, when he entered the gate, there the writer had seen that one girl was tied with the bandage. Yes or no? Tied with the bandage, and one boy was leading to her. Do you remember that one? Okay. So there the writer is saying that I saw when I came, that girl was a little girl and little poor girl. Okay, who was blind, and she was being led by one boy. And she had some trouble with her eyes. That is what the writer is saying to Miss Bean. And again the writer is saying, I now see two more with the same difficulty. अभी राइटर बोल रहे हैं कि अभी मैं और दो आदमी को देख रहा हूँ उसी तरह से प्रॉब्लम में, कि उनके आंखें में पट्टी बांधी गई है और उसको कोई लीडिंग कर रहा है. उस तरह से प्रॉब्लम में और भी दिखाई दे रहा है, और वही सारे चीज मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. That is what the writer says. And again, and there is a girl with a crutch watching the others at play. She seems to be a hopeless cripple. And also he is saying, the writer is saying that there is a girl with a crutch. Crutch means, you know, it is like a stick, or it is made of fiber or plastic that lame people, especially those who are not able to walk, they use that one. Okay, keeping in their armpit, and by the help of that stick they walk. So here the writer is saying that there is a girl with the crutch watching the others at play, looking the others playing, but the little girl is not able to play because she cannot play. She cannot run, she cannot walk properly. Okay, so that is what is very painful for me. She seems to be a hopeless cripple, and the writer says she seems to be a hopeless cripple. मतलब वो जो एक लड़की है जो खेल नहीं पा रही है, कोई किसी उसको मदद नहीं कर रही है या फिर खेलने में नहीं ले रहा है, तो वो इस प्रकार के cripple है. Unable to walk. Cripple means what is that? A person who is unable to walk or who cannot walk. That is called a cripple. So he is a hopeless, मतलब कोई भी उसको उसके साथ नहीं जाएगा खेलने के लिए क्योंकि वो चल ही नहीं पाएगी अच्छी तरह से, तो उसको hopeless बोला गया है. Helpless, hopeless. Okay. And here let us see 8th paragraph. Okay, paragraph 8. यहाँ पे राइट साइड जो वर्ड्स मीनिंग आपको दिया हुआ है, एट प्ले मतलब क्या है? प्लेइंग. होपलेस मतलब क्या है? अनफॉर्चुनेट, विथआउट होप. ओके, दैट इज द मीनिंग हियर, इट इज गिवन टू यू. देन paragraph 8 paragraph, let us see. Miss Bean laughed. Oh no, she said. Okay, now when the writer is saying that all these things, problems with students are blind, lame, and all these things are there and they are very hopeless, so the writer is feeling very sorry for that. Then when he is saying to Miss Bean, then Miss Bean is laughing at that. Okay, oh no, she said. She is not really lame. Okay, the Miss Bean is saying that she is not really lame. वो जो गर्ल है, वो जो लड़की है जो क्रैचेस से लेकर चल रही है, वो रियली लेम नहीं है, या फिर रियली वो लेम नहीं है। ओके, तो फिर क्या है देखते हैं। This is only her lame day. The others are not blind either. It is only their blind day. I must have looked very surprised, for she laughed again. Okay, so now Miss Bean is saying that this is not the real lame person or real lame girl. Lame means one who cannot walk. Okay, this is only her lame day. Okay, the other are not blind either. Huh? It is only their blind day. Okay, so what do you understand by that? So in the school, the blind day, lame day, and other days are also celebrated, as we celebrate in our school. That blue, white, and all these things we celebrate now. Do you remember those things? So in that school, these kind of things are celebrated. One day there will be lame day will be there, one day there will be blind day will be there, and the other day some other days will be there, and where the children are learning how to help others. And here the children are learning how a blind person is struggling in his life, or how a lame person is struggling in his life. That those things and those morals are taught to the children by these days. Okay, now I must have looked very surprised, for she laughed again. तो यहाँ पे जब ये जो राइटर जो बिलीव किया, या फिर राइटर को लगा कि ये जो रियल ये लेम है, रियली ये ब्लाइंड है, तो राइटर को क्या लगा? बहुत बुरा लगा। और जब ये जो मिस बीन जो है हंस रही है और बता रही कि ये रियली लेम नहीं है, रियली ब्लाइंड नहीं है, ये सिर्फ उनका दिन है ब्लाइंड बनने का, ये सिर्फ उनका दिन है लेम बनने का। तो यहाँ पे फिर से राइटर को सरप्राइज लगता है जब मिस बीन फिर से हंसने लगते हैं तब। ओके, so my dear students, here we stop in this video, and in the next video we shall continue with the paragraph 9. Okay, 9th paragraph. So here what you will do is that you will find out the words meaning which are not given there. I think the words are very easy and very simple, and nothing words that is new for you. Okay, so meet you again in the next video. Till then, bye.